The EFF says Parliament failed to hold the executive accountable and called on the ruling party to recall the president.
We call for the president to step down with immediate effect because the president has failed to uphold the Constitution. It is his primary responsibility, that is his first duty, to uphold, defend and respect the Constitution.
The EFF says should Parliament fail to impeach the president, they'll go back to the Constitutional Court and mobilize mass demonstrations against the president.
We are not going to sit back and allow a situation where the continuation of the violation of the Constitution by Parliament continues. Remember, Parliament is also found to have violated the Constitution.
The official opposition backed the EFF in their court application and echoed the same sentiments.
The Constitutional Court has upheld what we've always wanted for, that the powers of the public protector be upheld, that ultimately President Zuma acted unlawfully, and more critically, that the National Assembly in its processing of accountability failed in its obligation. And therefore, we today take the judgment today and we say President Zuma and the ANC that in fact President Zuma must be removed from office.
Other opposition parties also joined the fray.
We can no longer trust President Zuma to preside over South Africans or be the custodian of our Constitution.
If we do not respect the very oaths that we make, commitments we make to the people of our country, if we lie to our own citizens, why should other nations of the world respect us?
The ANC has welcomed the court ruling and called an urgent meeting of its top 6 officials to discuss its implications.
We reaffirm our full confidence in the judiciary and upholding the rule of law in South Africa. And given the serious nature of the judgment, we think that we should not react in a knee-jerk way. We should study that judgment in detail, look into it.
As Parliament, we still have to study this judgment and its implications to Parliament and our work in Parliament and to the various structures we have in Parliament.
The public protector has welcomed the ruling.
We needed a point at which we define clearly what does the Constitution mean when it says the public protector has the power to investigate, report on, and take appropriate remedial action in response to improper conduct in state affairs. It had never been done before.
Montlenyane Dipoku, SABC News.